it.
So we're now leaving De Potten, and it's 10:30. Our next campsite isn't that far away, so we're going to do a little detour and go to a place that we used to go to a lot before when we was out here on holiday, and that's a little town called Burgum. Pretty little village, but it's a bit tight, but it looks beautiful. There's a petrol station. Lots of farms, lots of cows, isn't there, Dave?
In a quarter of a mile, turn right onto Sneek.
And in through another pretty little village. Just trying to get to the main road. Certainly off the beaten track here, Dave.
Yeah.
Tiny place like this, electric charging points. Phew. Who'd have thought? Some lovely farmhouses, aren't there? Okay.
Yeah.
Taken by a scooter there. Scooter on the cycle path's going faster than we are.
Looks like an Uber Eats.
Yeah. It's like when we were cycling yesterday and a mobility scooter overtook us. I think we're going onto the main road now, aren't we? As pretty as these back roads are, we're glad to get on the main road. These are different sort of bikes. All the kids in the front.
At the roundabout, take the first exit to N354.
And we're back on the main road, heading towards our destination, which will probably take us about half an hour by the looks of things. So, just going onto the motorway now. GoPro there for a bit, but anyway, we're in the car park now in the centre of Bergen. It is the same car park we used to come to years ago, but they've obviously upgraded it and paved it, and it looks a lot bigger and took a lot more trees down, so we're just going to have a look round and then we'll be on our way.